put a strap on the rebar on there, and let's see if I can get it to turn around without breaking and falling over and clubbing me in the head. That looks pretty straight that way. Now I just gotta level out the top. All right, I think that worked. Hey, I did something that worked. Hey, Ma. Oh man. All right, let me get the bubble level for that. Bubble level says that's on the money. It's on the money. Now I just gotta dump the concrete in there without moving it. Alright, it's another beautiful morning. Today seems to be just a very light breeze, which is welcomed. The post has made it through the night. The bubble levels are the same as where I left them. Well, you're saying, well, they're not completely center. That's fine. Well, I figured that if the gate is going to hang on here, and when it's open, it'll lean that way. That'll bring the bubble back a little bit. And if the gate is this way, it'll lean that way, and that'll bring the bubble back to center. I think, I hope, as most of my plans have been going awry. That could be going awry too. But I'm having a little fun, I think. So here, X marks the spot. That's about 18 feet. And let's see if I can get it close and see if I have to unearth any Super Duty sized biscuits. Hit a huge biscuit right there, and it runs across there, and it lifts the whole excavator up. So basically I had to go back a little bit. Let's see how deep we are here. But kind of scared me a bit when that excavator started tipping up. There was a little bit of a uneasy feeling, and then when I released the pressure on it, it kind of dropped real fast. It's like, whoa, that's like an e-ticket ride at Disneyland. All right, let me get the tape measure now. That's 4 feet. Oh. Yeah. Almost there. One bucket. I think one more bucket will do it. One more bucket will do it. It's B-I-N-G-O. Excellent. Another long day, but there's success. Right? There's success. I think I eyeballed them as best I could. That level could have been better, but that'll live, and that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right. Getting close. Another sunset. Job well done, I think. I hope. But kind of gets a little frustrating at times. But you got to put your head down and you got to power forward. The only way you're going to get things accomplished. All right. Tomorrow I'll put a chain across there as a temporary stopgap until I get the gate that I want. Thanks for tagging along. Hope you're enjoying what you're watching. Hope you find it entertaining at sometimes educational, and see you later.